Welcome to my channel. Today we will write a letter to your friend asking him to spend holidays with you. First write examination hall, then write the name of city and date. Dear Maqsood, the schools are closing on the 10th of June. Remember the promise that you made to spend holidays with me. The weather of Karachi is fine. We shall go out for outing. We shall enjoy the company of nature. Please inform me about the date and time of your arrival. Pay regards to uncle and aunt. Your sincerely XYZ. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you.